My children, listen well. In our land, the Kolanut, which we call Oji, is not just food, it is life itself. There is a saying, the Yoruba grow kola, the Hausa chew kola, but the Igbo celebrate kola. We do not grow it in large quantity, yet we honor it more than anyone else. Kolanuts have power for the body and the spirit. It can cure cough with honey, stop sleep, help with digestion, even drive away hangovers. But above all, it is a sacred fruit. We use it to pray, to talk to God and to our ancestors. Just as Christians see Holy Communion, so do we see the Kolanut. No Igbo gathering begins without it. When a guest arrives, the first sign of respect is the presentation of Oji. It is prayed over, broken, and shared as a sign of peace and unity. The lobes of the nut speak. Sometimes they show good omen, sometimes bad. The number of lobes has meaning. 3 lobes we call Oji Ikenga, strong and good, like father, mother, and child. 4 lobes, Oji Udo Nangozi, bring peace and blessing, tied to our 4 market days. 5 lobes, Oji Omumu, mean increase, fertility, and prosperity. Rare ones with 6 or 7 lobes carry even deeper mysteries, linking the living and the ancestors. So you see, my children, when you next see Kolanut, do not take it lightly. It is not just something to chew. It is a key to our prayers, our unity, and our heritage. That is why in Igbo land we say, Onye wetara oji, wetara endu. He who brings Kolanut brings life. Ekenem unu. Please share and follow our page.